Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're facing problem while downloading apps from App Store and you are not able to download apps from App Store. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download apps from App Store without any problem. If you are facing problem while downloading and installing apps from App Store. So let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, here you'll have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then after that, here you'll have to make sure that you are using a strong internet connection. If you don't have a strong internet connection, then you will have to use strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi device, then you will have to disconnect with that Wi-Fi device and again connect with that Wi-Fi device. After that, if you are using mobile data, then you will have to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. After that, here you will have to turn off your device and restart it after 1 minute. After that, check that the problem fixed or not. If the still problem is there, after that, here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. Then scroll it below. Then here you will have to search for Safari browser. So here is Safari browser. You will have to just simply tap on this. Then after that, here you will have to scroll it below. Then here you will have to tap on clear history and website data. After that, here you will have to select the time frame. Here you will have to select the all history, and after that clear history of Safari browser. After that, go back, open again setting of your iPhone device, then scroll it below, tap on general, and after that scroll it below, tap on iPhone storage, and here you'll have to make sure that your iPhone device has enough storage to install that app. If your iPhone device has not enough storage, then you will have to delete some used apps which you often don't use. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If the still problem is there, then you will have to open App Store of your iPhone device. Then from here you will have to search for App Store. Then from here you'll have to update your App Store if here is any update available. After that, check that the problem fixed or not. If the problem still exists, then again open setting of your iPhone device. Then from here you'll have to scroll it below, tap on general. Then from here you'll have to tap on software update. And from here you'll have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS 17.0.3. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update it to latest version. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then here you'll have to again open setting of your iPhone device, tap on screen time, scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restriction, and from here you'll have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and from here you will have to allow the installing apps from here, and after that here you have to turn this toggle off. After that, check that the problem fixed or not. If still is problem there, then you'll have to again open setting, then tap on general, then you'll have to scroll it below, and from here you will have to tap on VPN and device management. Here you will have to make sure that you are not connected with any VPN. If you are connected with VPN, then you will have to disconnect with that VPN. After that, go back and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network setting, and check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will have to tap on reset all settings, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to install apps from App Store without any problem. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.